This is the Windows Store. I'm using a Windows 10 PC. We're gonna go and download some apps. Today, we're gonna look for a screen recorder app. Let's see what we find. Okay, so let's the screen recorder for Windows. This app has 4.1 star. Let's get it. So we're gonna review it and see how good it is. Okay, and now the app is installed. Let's open it and see. Okay, this is so we have one screen. We can choose to do it full screen or pick an area, or we can select a window. I guess that's a window that's open, and that's pretty cool. You can use a webcam. Yeah, at least that's a good option. You can, let's see if we do this. Okay, then you can select the microphone. You can select the microphone, the input microphone and speakers. There's a paid version of this app, so $14.99 time, and there is an annual fee of $9.99. When I read some of the comments, I noticed some people were complaining about the upgrade feature. So the app is free, but only for 60 seconds. You can only record for 60 seconds, and after that it would freeze or you don't get the recording. That's what some people were saying. In my case, I was able to record for more than 60 seconds. I don't know if it's a glitch, but apparently if you pay $14.99, you can have unlimited recording. And I would recommend, if you're going to buy this app, if you're going to use this app, you pay $14.99 for a lifetime, for lifetime access. And many of the comments were saying that this app was really hard to uninstall, and once they installed it, there was no way to uninstall it. In my case, it was very easy. I'm gonna show you. You can, if you go to search and you type screen recorder. In my case, I just type screen, and I right click, and then you can easily click on install. And as you will see, that in itself will uninstall the app. And if you go back, you search screen recorder, the app is gone. It's no longer there. And if you go to the control panel and apps and features, if you type screen, it's definitely not there. Okay, so in my case, it's not hard at all to uninstall. And you can also come here and apps and features, and you'll be able to uninstall that specific app. It's just a matter of clicking on it. If you click on it, you can click uninstall.